Good day and welcome to the port of Southampton. Silverstream team are here today to go on board this vessel, the Grande Shanghai, Grimaldi's latest new PCTC vessel, which is a 9,000 CEU vessel, one of the largest ammonia-ready PCTCs to be built. She has on board Silverstream's air lubrication system, which is part of Grimaldi's own sustainability journey towards zero-emission shipping for the future fleet. And as I said before, this is one of the largest PCTCs built and is part of a growing fleet of vessels, all incorporating Silverstream's technology in order to reduce fuel burn and CO2 emissions. As well as supporting fuel reduction, air lubrication is a very important component of EEDI regulation for new building ships. And Silverstream's innovative technology supports a number of new PCTC designs across the world. That includes some of the largest PCTCs that will be built in the coming years for Wallenius Wilhelmsen. I look forward to going on board this vessel later today, and we will be here as part of our aftercare service, supporting both the operator and the crew in safe operation of the system and ensuring we can retrieve all of the relevant data for us to understand the performance of the system. Along with our partners, let's build a future empowered by air.